This forecast map from the National Weather Service shows expected impacts from a storm that's expected to impact the Northeast Sunday and Monday. This forecast map shows predictions for impacts late Sunday into Monday. Photo, National Weather Service. The Northeast's mild fall may be coming to an end Sunday as a coastal storm is forecast to bring heavy rain and high winds, especially to New York and New England. The National Weather Service has issued multiple watches and warnings for the northern east coast in a swath ranging from Washington, D.C. to Boston. Coastal areas could see wind gusts of up to 65 miles per hour, the NWS said. The Northeast has enjoyed a particularly mild fall, and many trees still have all their leaves. Damage to trees, power lines, and property are possible with winds of this magnitude, especially given trees remain fully leaved, the NWS said. Power outages are likely. Take action to secure loose outdoor objects. Large portions of the forecast area, including northern Connecticut and Rhode Island, are also under a flash flood watch, with moderate to heavy rain predicted at times. The NWS said localized urban flooding could occur, and gale warnings were also in effect for the Chesapeake Bay area for Sunday night through Monday morning. Tropical